Hello guys, welcome back to Spot Original. Now I will give you a tutorial how to clear history on Reddit for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss of our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let's go to the started. Click on the Reddit. And after that, you can click the symbol of the people or the avatar in the upper of the left corner. Go to the history, and that you can see there is a history here and how to clear history on Reddit for the one click. You can click the three dots in the upper of the right corner and you can clear history. And if you just want to clear the history, you can click the three dots in the upper of the one of the history and you can click delete it. And I want to clear the all of the history, so I click the three dots in the upper of the right corner. So for the next step, clear the history, click on. And now you don't have the history anymore for your Reddit application. There's very simple way to do it. This is a tutorial how to clear history on Reddit for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.